Good morning, dear students. This is Nisha Dheer. Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Dear students, open your EVS book, The Greenhouse. Today, we are going to revise our chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Water Around Us. We already learned the sources of water. We get water from different places. These are known as the sources of water. Do you know what's the main source of water? Yes, rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater fills rivers, lakes, streams, and ponds. Some of the rainwater seeps into the soil to form groundwater. We can get groundwater by digging wells, hand pumps, and also used to get groundwater. In some places, groundwater may gush out from under the ground and from springs. So there are two types of water. Main source of water is rain, and some are man-made sources of water, and the examples of man-made sources of water are hand pumps and wells. Many streams join to form a river. Rivers and ponds are natural sources of water. Wells, hand pumps, and dams are man-made sources of water. We already learned why we need water. Humans, plants, and animals need water to stay alive. There are many other uses of water. So, where we use the water? Humans use water for drinking, washing, cooking, and mopping. Animals use water for drinking, keeping their body cool and growing. Some animals live in rivers, lakes, oceans, and other water bodies. Plants. Why plants need water? Plants need water for growing and preparing food. Many plants grow in water. Example of plants that grow in water are lotus. Lotus grows in water. Clean and pure water. We must use clean water. Drinking dirty and impure water may make us sick. So, we should drink clean water. We should know the source of drinking water and make sure that it is pure and free from germs. Water that is pure and fit for drinking is called potable water. How we remove germs from the water? We can boil water to make it free from germs. So, we must use clean water. If we drink dirty water, it makes us sick. So, we should always drink clean and pure water. Water pollution. What's the meaning of water pollution? When a source of water gets dirty is known as water pollution. Food items that contain water. Some fruits contain lots of water, and the examples are tomato, watermelon, strawberry, cherries, radish, kiwi, orange. They contain lot of water. milk, curd are some other foods that contain water. Saving water, how we can save the water? Water is important for life, so we must not waste water. We can save water by adopting the following: keeping the tap closed while brushing, using a bucket rather than hose pipe for washing cars and other vehicles, watering plants with a watering can and not hose pipes, never letting water overflow from buckets, getting leak tap and pipe repair immediately, bathing with a mug and bucket rather than using a shower, using water used for washing fruits and vegetables for watering plants. So now I will explain you the back exercise, and the first is tick the correct answers. And the first one is, which of these is the main source of water on the earth? And we have options: rivers, lakes, rain and pond. And the correct answer is rain. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Next is, groundwater gushes out at places to form. We have options: dams, springs, streams or holes. And the correct answer is springs. Next is, polluted water is dash. And the options are clean, healthy, dirty, potable. And the correct answer is dirty. Polluted water is dirty. Next is, which of these contain water? And we have options: cucumber, tomato, milk, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Cucumber, tomato and milk, all these contain lot of water. So the correct answer is all of these. Next is, which of these means water is fit for drinking? Yes, we have options: polluted, rainwater, potable, hand pump. And the correct answer is potable. Next we have true false, and the first one is, rivers are the main source of water on the earth. Is it true? No, because the main source of water on the earth is rain, so it's false. Cucumber and tomatoes contain a lot of water. Yes, it's true. Wells and hand pump help us to get groundwater. Yes, it's true. Boiling water makes it dirty. No, it's false. Boiling water makes it clean, so it's false. Water should not be wasted. Yes, it's true, because water is very important for the life. We must not waste water. We should not be wasted. Water should not be wasted, so it's true. Next we have question answers, and the first question is, what is the main source of water on the earth? And the answer is rain. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Next is, write any two man-made sources of water, and the answer is wells and hand pumps. Next is, what are the natural sources of water? And the answer is rivers, lakes and ponds. Next question is, which food items contain lot of water? And the answer is tomato and orange. Next, how can we clean water or remove germs from it? And the answer is, we can boil water to make it germs free. तो हम जो water dirty हो जाता है उससे germs को हम कैसे clean कर सकते हैं? We can boil water to make it germs free. तो हम water को boil करके उसको germs free कर सकते हैं. Okay, next is what is potable water? And the answer is water that is pure and fit for drinking. तो potable water का मीनिंग क्या होता है? वो वाटर जो हमारे पीने के लिए प्योर एंड फिट होता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? पोर्टेबल वाटर. एंड द आंसर इज वाटर दैट इज प्योर एंड फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज water pollution? What's the meaning of water pollution? And the answer is when a source of water gets dirty, it is known as water pollution. तो water pollution का क्या मीनिंग होता है? जब वाटर में जर्म्स हो जाते हैं या वाटर डर्टी हो जाता है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वाटर पोल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव fill in the blanks. And the first one is dash is the main source of water on the earth. And the correct answer is rain. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Next is we can get groundwater by digging dash. Yes, answer is wells. We can get groundwater by digging wells. Next is we must not dash water. We must not waste water. Humans, next is humans, plants and animals need dash to stay alive. And the answer is water. Next is we can dash water to make it dash free. We can boil water to make it germs free. I think the concept is clear. Revise this work, learn this work and do practice on your rough notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.